H&S Tool has been located here in Fall River since 1980, and in 2010, the company expanded and moved to the city's industrial park. Employees here, in addition to making the Cure putters, fill orders for big-name companies in the energy sector such as GE.
About 2 years ago, we were approached by a company in Florida, a couple of golf pros that were in the midst of designing a new putter that they felt was going to be an advantage for the average golfer.
Graph paper and pencils, once the staple of this business, have been retired by computer software. Louis Almeida is a 20-year employee who told us manufacturing in Massachusetts has become more efficient.
As the years have gone on, I've seen a lot of new technologies emerge with the solid files especially. Customers will send you a solid file. There's no need to draw it. It already comes in.
The idea for a new and improved putter came all the way from Jacksonville, Florida. Hetzler and his team created a prototype using computer programming and high-tech machines. To bring the putter to life, aircraft-grade aluminum is cut, drilled, and molded into a unique shape. The head of the putter is laser engraved with the H&S logo, then stamped, "Made in the USA." Ryan Pacheco is the Fulfillment Center Manager. Packaging and shipping takes place upstairs. He explains the importance of keeping the process local.
Every job that we keep in the city is better for us. The city has been hurting for years as manufacturing jobs have left to go to China and things like that. Everything that we can bring back to the city helps. And it gives people money to spend, which in turn makes the city better as it helps our economy locally.
While jobs are returning, American-made products such as the Cure are being sold overseas. The Cure is hugely popular in the Asian market.
They feel that they need to have a product that is perfect. They do not want anything that is subpar. They pay top dollar, so they expect top quality.
The Cure made the Golf Digest hot list. The company expects sales to double this year with up to 20,000 orders for putters. My customized Cure will turn heads on the mini golf course. I gave it a test drive on the upstairs green. This is where Carl and his team customize each putter based on a client's stance and swing. Reporting from Fall River, Massachusetts, I'm Jessica Miranda for Amp It Up.